you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. This is Praveen Dure from Dice University, and in today's video we are going to talk about native ads for beginners. Step by step I'm going to teach you what is native ads, how to run native ads, and everything about native ads in this video, guys. But before we go into this video, please support this channel by hitting the big red subscribe button as well as the like button for this video. Only if you like this video at the end of the video, not now. And do not forget to hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and so that we can keep creating good content for you all the time. I'll be seeing you inside today's video, guys. So are you ready? Let's go.
This video is brought to you by Landrise.com. Create highly optimized landing pages in minutes. Get your 14-day free trial in the description below this video.
Welcome to today's video, everybody. Like I told you previously, in today's video we are going to teach you what is native ads and how we actually use this for beginner affiliate marketers step by step. Before I get into this, I would just want to remind you guys one simple thing, guys. Remember that native ads isn't for somebody who just started his affiliate marketing journey. You should at least have some prior experience or doing push, pop, or any of this, which is way much more easier than native ads before you come into native ads. That would be my highest recommendation for you, because native ads requires certain set of skills. For example, you need to be able to find good creatives. You need to be able to, let's say, do a good copywriting. And the copywriting shouldn't be like a small copywriting. It should be good, really good copywriting. So all these skills you will actually try to adapt from your experience, previous experience in like doing push notification, in doing pop notification, and all these guys. But basically we can do this, and if you're a beginner affiliate marketers, we can do this, and I am literally going to go ahead and teach you on how to do this, guys. So first, you need to know what is actually native advertisement. So if you actually go to the word stream, what they actually say about native advertisement is that native adverts, to simply put, native advertisement is a paid content. Article, infographic, videos, you name it. If a content producer can make it, corporation can buy it and publish it, platform can promote it, that is actually native advertisement. So the only thing about native advertisement, how does native advertisement differ from an advertorial? Simple. A native advertisement should be almost similar with the platform that it is actually publishing, like what they say here. Okay, a content should align with the publication or site, establish editorial style and tone, and blah blah, which makes you literally complicated to actually read it, right? Let me just put it in a very simple words, guys. Basically, if you have a post, your native ads should look exactly like the post. It should not look like a paid advertisement. And my point here is that this is not to actually deceive any audience who are actually looking at it. They must know that it's an ad, but it should not look like an ad. For example, it should have a symbol saying that it's ads, it's sponsored, it's promoted, it's advertised, and all this kind of stuff, so audience will know. This is not to deceive audience, but this is to just make the ads blend in with the post, guys. Blend in with the post. So that's the whole idea, guys. It should not look like an ad. It's to promote the ad. A native advertisement has already shown proof. Studies has already shown that native advertisement is much more better than banner ads. It actually creates a purchase intent higher than banner ads and all this kind of stuff, guys. So let me just show you an example of native advertisement in the platform that you daily use. For example, Facebook. This is your Facebook homepage, right? So this is actually a post from my friend. So when you scroll down, you can actually see this post. This post and this post is almost same, right? The only differentiate between this post and this post is that this post is actually a native ads. How do you know? You can actually see the sponsored symbol here. Other than that, this post and this post looks exactly the same, guys. So this is called social media native ads. Let's take a look at another one. So when you scroll down, all these are normal posts. This is a native advertisement. So you can actually see it's a sponsored ad which looks exactly the same like a normal ad. So you can find this in all the platforms, guys. Most of the social platform has this. For example, let's go LinkedIn, right? So this is a normal post. this is actually a promoted post. In LinkedIn it says promoted, which means it's actually a native advertisement. So same thing in Twitter. This is actually a Twitter home page. So this is a normal post, normal post, normal post, normal post, da 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 da, normal post. So you will find, let me just show you guys, let me just see if there's any promoted post or not, sponsored post or promoted post. That's surprising. I didn't see any promoted post in Twitter. It usually should have it here. Maybe they changed the way it looks like, but like I told you, it will look, I can't find anything here. That's embarrassing, guys. But it will actually have it all the social medias mostly, because this is actually one of the way they actually make money, guys. So they do should have it here. So let's say another platform, guys. This is social media. Let's say another platform. Let's say another platform, guys. Let's say what else you use other than Facebook and LinkedIn and all this kind of stuff. You use Google. Google is a search engine that you guys use, right? I just went into Google and I just searched for buy potato, for example, buy potato, right? So when I actually hit buy potato here, I that was weird. I actually saw some ads just now, so I don't know how it came here. So when you hit buy potato, right, this is actually a normal how do I say it, SEO generated results, but this is actually a ad. You can actually see it's an ad, right? But what differs this one and this one? Nothing. It looks almost the same, and the only difference is ad, because this is actually a native ads. We called it a search engine native ads. So you can actually find this in other stuff as well. Like for example, if you go Yahoo, right, you can actually find this in Yahoo. So Yahoo has like a lot of posts here, right? So this post and this post, there's nothing different from this post, right? The only thing different is this is actually an ad. You can actually see it's an ad. So you can actually scroll down, you can actually see it's an ad. Here's an ad. It looks same, exactly the same. So these are native ads, guys. So the purpose of native ads is not to deceive the audience, but the audience definitely know it's a native ad, because there's like an ad symbol, there's like a promoted symbol, there's like a sponsored symbol. All this symbol is actually here to show these guys that this is actually an ad. But the thing is, the ad should actually go ahead and blend in with the platform, guys. That's the main idea of native advertisement. So now you have actually a rough understanding on how to what is native advertisement, right? I think we have explained long enough for that. So we can actually go ahead and start running native advertisement. So what's the first thing that you need to do? What are the tools that you need to go ahead and actually run a native advertisement? Very simple, guys. You are only going to follow three simple steps. The first step is that you are going to go ahead and choose an offer. The second step is that you are going to go ahead and build a lander. The third step is that you are going to go ahead and build a campaign. So this is the main three steps involved in doing a native advertisement. So for all these purposes, right, you'll be needing certain tools and certain websites. For example, you want to go ahead and choose an offer. So where do you go ahead and choose an offer? You will be needing an affiliate network to do so, because affiliate network is the place that you go ahead and choose an offer, right? So if you are a beginner affiliate marketers, affiliate networks like Max Bounty, all these kind of big affiliate networks, it might be a little bit hard for you to actually get access to all these networks. So the easiest network that you can actually go ahead and get your access is ClickBank. ClickBank does not require any form of screening. ClickBank does not require any form of like what do I say, guys? Verification. They do not require you to have a previous background or anything. You can straight away go to ClickBank. You can press register into ClickBank. It will ask you few informations, register that, and then it will bring you to this page. And in this page, you can actually go to the marketplace section where all the offers will be available here. So you can actually see the offers, like you can see all the sub niches niches here. So if you click on these niches, you can actually see all the sub niches within this niche as well. So let's say, for example, you want to choose a particular niche that you'd like to choose games, right? So when you hit games, you can actually go ahead and see all the results for games here. So let's say you want to do this campaign, Doji World of Warcraft. You can actually take a look at this offer page in for this particular offer. How does this offer page looks like? Let's see, it's a guide for World of Warcraft, guys, so you can actually see how this offer page looks like, whether it's nice or not. Usually what I will see in an offer page is I require a call to action button, like this one has a sign up or free trial, right? So you need to have a call to action button. The video just started running, so like this, how much is the price and all this kind of stuff. So this is very important. So once you have checked out that, you can actually go ahead and check out the affiliate resources page as well. So this is the page where they do usually have the tools for you to actually go ahead and do ads, email swipes, demographic research, product materials. So you can actually see all this. You can actually see they do have like a product informations here, PPC campaign, what is the most targeted search words, what is the pre-made articles are there as well. So you can actually see all this. You can see the guides here, this is not okay, and all this kind of stuff, guys. So you can see a lot of stuffs here, guys. So you can actually see their banners as well. They do have banners and all this kind of stuff, which is pretty neat. So knowing taking a look at both of these, you have to consider whether this offer is good or not. So another way that you can actually consider the offer is what we call as gravity. Gravity simply means that how many people have actually purchased this product in the last 30 days. Usually, my screening process is that I will not choose an offer which has a gravity less than 30. So this one has 8, right? So usually I will not choose this kind of offers. So what I will do is I will go ahead and click on this button over here. It will list out all the ClickBank products available. Like there's like 3,658 ClickBank products available right now. So you can actually go ahead and sort them by gravity. You can see like this offer, it has like 769 gravity, which means that around 769 people have actually converted for this offer before. So we want to take a look at the offers which has a gravity less than 30 sorry, more than 30, guys. So that's how we go ahead and choose the offer. So if everything looks good, then you can actually go ahead and hit the promote button, hit generate hop links, and you can actually get your affiliate link, right? So this is the first step. You're going to choose your offer. So the second step is that you want to go ahead and build your landing page. So let's say this is actually the offer, right? This is actually an ad. So if you click on this ad, right, they will actually bring you straight away to the, some of them will bring you straight away to the offer page, some of them will bring you to the landing page, guys. So if you take a look at this, all about phishing, suddenly you click on this and it leads you straight away to the offer page. It looks really weird, right? Who will actually go ahead and convert like this? Very less people. That's why. That's because you did not actually engage your audience. So you didn't warm up your audience. You didn't do anything to them. How will they convert? And that's the reason why we have step 2. But let me just tell you that step 2 is actually not a what we say, a compulsory step. You can straight away do like what they do. Straight away from the ads, you lead them to the offer page like this, but it's not a good thing. We do not recommend that. That's why we have step 2, where we create a landing page, which means from the ad you bring them to the landing page, which will actually talk more about the offer a little bit, and then give them a little bit kind of warm up. This is like a how you engage the audience, make them feel happy first before they actually go ahead and convert. So this is actually the landing page builder that we use. It's called Landrise. There's actually few landing page builder out there, famous ones like ClickFunnels, Builderall, and all this kind of stuff are there, guys, like WordPress, Elementor, but they have one major issues that a lot of affiliate marketers face. That is that their page loads very slow because they are actually not uploaded in a private different server. They actually uploaded in private servers, so they actually load very slow. And when your page loads very slow, your click-through rate will go down. And people who knows about click-through rate, they know that click-through rate and conversion rate, they are actually directly proportional. So if your click-through rate goes down, your conversion rate goes down as well. So Colin knows this problem, and he tried to address this problem by creating Landrise, a page builder create specifically for affiliate marketers and also for affiliate page, where you can straight away get your page and upload your page into Amazon S3, which makes your page to load pretty fast. But it doesn't happen like a magic. So if you actually come into Landrise, but before that, let me just tell you that there's actually a 14 days free trial link in the description of this video for Landrise. You can actually go ahead and click on that particular link, guys. So once you click on that particular link, it will give you a 14 days free trial. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to go ahead and set up Landrise. You need to let the whole world know that you have already have a Landrise. And not only important, you need to go ahead and set up the Amazon S3, and you need to connect the Amazon S3 with Landrise as well. So there's like 5 steps here, but the most important is step 2 and step 3, guys. It will take somewhere around 30 minutes to do this. Step 2 is like to teach you on how to go ahead and build your Amazon S3, while step 3 is to actually help you connect your domain which you build your Amazon S3 with Landrise, so that it's interconnected, so that you can straight away go ahead and upload all this kind of stuff, guys. So without these tutorial videos, it's really hard to do it, guys. Trust me, I've actually tried to do it, so it's really hard. So once you are here, right, so once you have already set everything up, you can actually go ahead and start creating a landing page. So let's go ahead and create a landing page, guys. So when you hit create landing page, they will actually show you all the available templates. Currently there's like 58 available templates, and don't worry if you think it's very less, because Landrise is adding at least 4 brand new high converting templates every single week, guys. So if you take a look at these 4 high converting template, why they actually say it's high converting is because Colin and their team has actually tested these landing pages and optimized most of them. I know this for a fact because I also tested most of them, guys. So you can actually scroll down. Each and every one of these templates cater for different reason. Like this is for sweepstakes, this is for Nutra, this is for insurance, business or gaming, dating, and the list goes on and on, guys. So for native ads, right, the one that works very well is this kind of stuff, like VSL, advertorial. This kind of landing pages works very well. This kind of landing pages works very well for push. Advertorial works really well. So let's just, for example, take this advertorial, for example, right? So we're gonna take this advertorial. We're just gonna press test 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and they're gonna hit save. So what happens here is you will start editing your Landrise, guys. So wow, they have a new editor for Landrise, which is pretty neat, guys. Wow, nice. So they do have a new editor for Landrise, which is pretty neat over here. This is something that I have never tried before, but it's really interesting, guys. So it's very easy to edit something with Landrise, guys. So you can actually, if you want to copy this, right, you can actually hit this button over here, and the whole thing will be copied. So if you want to move them around, you can actually click on it, and you can actually just move them anywhere you want. And if you want to edit them, it's pretty simple, guys. So you can actually see the typography here. You can change everything here. You can change the dimension. You can change whatever general stuffs here, and then you can actually go ahead, you can see whatever that you else that you can actually change here. Then you can actually click on this thing like this, for example, just double click on it, and then you can just type and edit, and then whatever, guys, you can do whatever. Then you can actually bold it if you want to. You can make it italic, just highlight it, bold it if you want to. You can make it italic like this. You can underline it. You can do maybe this one. I will ask them to change again. They're still working on this. I get is it's a little bit dark. This is because this is actually a new editor. They actually did it. So once you have done all that, you have added everything. It's very easy, guys. Just go to the editor section over here. You're going to put your destination URL here. It's very simple, guys. Just go to volume. Later on I will teach you how to do volume. So you go to volume, grab the click URL, paste it here, hit change all links and hit publish. So when you hit publish, you can actually see that they will ask you to choose a domain. Remember, I asked you to set up a domain previously. So this is where you're going to choose your domain, and you're going to just choose your domain and you're going to hit publish. So when you hit publish, right, what happens is that there will be a pop-up saying that it has been published like this, and this is what you're going to copy and paste it in your lander in your volume, guys. So this is what you're going to do. So I keep saying volume, right? What is actually volume? Volume is an external tracker that we always use, guys. So you can actually see what happens with volume. We have been using volume for quite some years. Only this year alone, we have actually made like $3,000 in profit with volume, guys. So $300,000 in profit with volume, guys. So you can actually see with volume is an external tracker. Why we actually need volume? If you know this business, then you know that this is actually a data business. The most important stuff in media buying business is your data, and the more data you have, which means that you're going to be able to optimize your campaign much more easier. You're going to scale your campaign much more easier. So that's why we need external data, and volume can actually give you a real good data. So what I meant by you need to tell volume is that simple. Whenever you're building a campaign, you need to tell volume what affiliate network that you're using. ClickBank, you need to alarm them. You need to let them know what traffic source they're using, and you need to let them know what is your offer, what is your lander. Everything you have to let them know so that they can track each and every one of the details very easily and give you more data to use. So that's step number 2, guys. So the final step is that you can actually go ahead and build your campaign. So there's like a few native ads advertising platform that you can actually use to go ahead and build your campaign. The ones that I personally like is like Outbrain, MGID, Rave Content, Tabula. All these are out there, and you can actually go ahead and start building your native ads campaign. So it works in a very easy way, guys. You just have to go ahead and register into this, log in into this, and then you have to add campaign and start building the whole campaign, just like how we actually do with push, just like how we actually do it. So yeah, just like how you go ahead and build Facebook ads and Google ads and all this kind of stuff, push ads and all this kind of stuff, same thing. You're gonna just go ahead, build it, put some nice ads, put some nice creative. This is what I told you just now. If you realize, I told you need some copywriting, right? Because with native ads, let me just show you guys. Let me just click on this. Let me just click something random. Once you do the targeting and everything, right? So you need to go ahead and build your campaign. Let me just show you. Oh, sorry, let me just do this. You need to build your campaign. So this is how your ads will look like. So you need to put your creatives here, just like how you do with push and everything, but you need to put your title here. You need to put your site name. For some native ads, right, they will not ask you to only to put your title here. They will ask you to put a little bit description. So with that title here, you need to have a real catchy title. But how do you know which type of creatives to use, which type of titles to use, and all this kind of stuff? Simple. That is why we have a spy tool, guys. You know how fond we are with spy tools, right? We want to spy on what people is doing, and we want to apply the same thing to us. So the most recently we actually shift from Adiplex, the spy tool that we always use, into Anthrax, guys. Anthrax is a way much more cheaper option. We decided to go to this because we want to give a better opportunity for our audience to actually go ahead and spend more on spy tool. Because with Adiplex, it's like $250 per month. With Anthrax, it's only $60 per month, roughly there. So here you can actually see what type of ads is working, what type of ads people are using, and all this kind of stuff, guys. So basically by doing all this you will be successfully creating a native ads, guys. So this is actually the basic steps, guys. Step 1, step 2, and step 3. That's how you go ahead and do it, guys. So basically that's about it from me, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. Whatever tools that I use in today's video, for example, I used volume, I use Antrax, all the link is in the description of this video, as well as Landrise, as well as for Landrise, right? There's actually a free 14 days trial link. I've also attached that in the link description below for your convenience. So go ahead and make use of all of this, guys. This is going to be rocking, guys. So that's about it, guys. Before I go, I just want to let you guys know, please help support this channel by hitting the big red subscribe button as well as the like button for this video. Only if you like this video, guys. If you don't like it, don't hit the like button, and don't forget the bell notification so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and so that we can keep creating good content for you all the time. So I'll be seeing you in the next one, guys. Good luck till then. Tata, bye bye.